Hi, my name is Daniel Miller of Miller & Miller Law Group. We help families leave a lasting legacy instead of a legal nightmare. So this week we will discuss 5 key facts about powers of attorney and what you should know. So number 1, what is a power of attorney? A power of attorney allows someone to step into your shoes and be you financially. A power of attorney can be tailored to be incredibly broad and allow the person to handle all of your affairs, or incredibly narrow and allow them only to do a certain transaction, such as purchase or sell a house. Number 2, what are the types of powers of attorney? There are 3 different types of powers of attorney. A general power of attorney, which doesn't last through a person's incapacity or if they can't handle their own affairs. A durable power of attorney, which does continue if a person becomes incapacitated and can't handle their affairs. And a springing power of attorney, which only springs into action if you are incapacitated. So most elder law practitioners use a durable power of attorney rather than a springing power of attorney, as it becomes more difficult to prove a person's incapacitated and comes with extra hoops to getting the power of attorney to become effective. Also a little bit tougher to get through the banks if you need to get into a bank account. So moving on, number 3, when does a power of attorney become effective? A power of attorney only becomes effective when we put the puzzle pieces together. Both the principal, meaning the person making the power of attorney, and the agent, the person acting on behalf of the power of attorney, sign in front of a notary. So once we got both of those together, we now have a valid and effective power of attorney. Now, these don't need to be signed at the same time. The principal can sign a power of attorney initially, and the agent can sign it 20 years later. And it would become fully effective when the agent signs it 20 years later. Number 4, what happens to the power of attorney when a person passes away? A power of attorney only lasts through the person's lifetime. It becomes invalid when the person actually passes away, and it can no longer be used. A will, a trust, or operation of law, or beneficiary designations, that controls the assets after a person passes away. Number 5, what are common mistakes we see on the power of attorney? So first, the power of attorney law changed on June 13th, 2021. What we see is a lot of people try doing it themselves and just pull a form off online. That form could be the wrong form and they're using the wrong one altogether. So that's one of the first mistakes that we see. The second mistake that we see is that there's no modifications to the power of attorney. We like to have the power of attorney be modified, so it's specifically tailored to your needs, so it allows your agent to do exactly what you need to do. Thanks for watching. For more information on estate planning, subscribe to our channel, and don't hesitate to reach out for more personalized advice. Thanks.